In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create report on chat and email conversations in HubSpot. First, open your browser, go to Google, and type HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot site and sign in to your account. If you use more than one HubSpot portal, make sure you're in the right one before you continue. Inside HubSpot, move your cursor over the left sidebar until you see the main navigation. Look for Reporting, then select Reports. At the top right, click Create, and on the next screen, choose Create Report. We're building something from scratch, so pick Custom Report, and then click Next. You'll land in the Report Builder. In the Primary Data Source section, use the search bar to find Conversations and select it. This brings in the data for live chat and email threads handled by your team. If you also want context like who the conversation was with or which company it belonged to, you can add additional data sources here, but keep conversations as the primary so metrics calculate correctly. When you're ready, click Next in the top right. Now set up the visualization. You'll see areas for the x-axis and y-axis. Drag a date field, such as conversation created date, to the x-axis to create a timeline. Then add a measure like count of conversations to the y-axis to see volume. To compare channels, drag channel or conversation origin into the breakdown area so you can view chat versus email side by side. You can also use fields like status, inbox, or owner to analyze performance by team or workflow. If your preview looks empty, check the filters and date range. Narrowing to the last 30 or 90 days often helps performance and clarity. As you experiment, watch the live preview update so you can confirm the story your report tells. Aim for one clear question per chart: volume over time, average response time, or closed conversations, rather than trying to answer everything at once. Rename fields in the configuration panel if needed, so labels are easy for your team to read. When everything looks right, click Save Report at the top right. Give your report a clear name and short description so others understand what they're looking at later. That's it. You've built a custom report on chat and email conversations in HubSpot, ready to share with your team and refine over time. If needed, revisit the builder anytime to adjust fields and filters as your reporting questions evolve.